This makes totally sense. Ahead of the Galaxy Unpacked event tomorrow, we are now seeing a worldwide software/firmware rollout for our Galaxy Watch 4 LTE. And I know, we LTE users come last, and I do feel kind of neglected by Samsung, although it kind of depends on your telecom provider as well. However, because Samsung is going to announce some new features tomorrow at the Unpacked event, we are now seeing the update being rolled out. And of course, in order to have all new features enabled, you will need to have One UI 5.1 installed, which I expect to drop tomorrow, latest by Friday, which leads me to the next point here. In order to have all new features enabled or installed on your Galaxy Watch, you will need a Samsung phone. I know. It is what it is. This update is around 300 megabytes. It took me around 10 minutes to install, but it does include the new connected device diagnostic tool, which I personally really like. You can now check 15 components on your Galaxy Watch. Well, hang on. You actually have 16 available, 16, not 15, 16 if you have a Galaxy Watch 4 Classic version. So the components that you can check includes the battery, the touchscreen, and many more. And of course, number 16 here for the Classic version is the bezel. You can check your bezel now. In order to have this feature enabled, you will need to install the diagnostic software to your watch. You can only do this via your Samsung Members app. However, once you've done this, once you have done the initial installation, you can easily access the diagnostic tool via your settings in your wearable app under battery and device care. After that, you are good to go. In response to my previous video, I have managed to fix the Galaxy Watch 4. All is good now. I also tested this brand new update for you. I had no issues, so please go ahead. Let me know if you received the update. Thank you for watching. Peace out.